Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Week ahead reminders for the week 27th January to 2nd February 2025. The following have a due date of 30th January 2025. Number 1, STPI SOFTEX. Number 2, SEZ SOFTEX. And number 3, Income Tax Form 27D. The following have a due date of 31st January 2025. Number 1, TDS Return. And number 2, Transfer Pricing Intimation Form 3CEAC. For listed companies, there are several other event or task-based annual and quarterly compliances which have specific time periods allotted from the date of the event or completion of task or end of a milestone period before which one needs to submit reports with details of the event or task to the relevant regulatory authorities, especially SEBI. These due dates generally fall in the range of simultaneous to 60 days depending on the event. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.